Imagine owning prime real estate in Dubai, one of the world's fastest-growing markets, generating passive income month after month. Dubai's real estate market is a treasure trove of opportunities, and Stake makes it accessible starting with just 150 Canadian dollars. With Stake, the city of gold is now within your reach. Starting your real estate investment journey with Stake is as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, sign up with a few easy clicks. Next, dive into the world of Dubai's prime rental properties and select the ones that catch your eye. After that, purchase shares in the properties you've chosen. And voila, you're now an investor. With Stake's intuitive tools, tracking your investments and watching your passive income grow is a breeze. And there you have it, you're a property investor in Dubai. But why choose Stake? Let's dive into the benefits. With Stake, you get hassle-free ownership. They handle everything from tenant screening to property maintenance so you don't have to. Then there's the monthly rental income, a consistent passive income stream that could be yours. And let's not forget about long-term capital appreciation. As property values rise, so do your returns. Plus, you're never alone. Stake boasts a supportive community and plenty of resources for new investors. Stake takes the stress out of property investment, leaving you to enjoy the returns. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our investors have to say. From transforming small deposits into big returns to creating steady streams of passive income, Stake has been a game-changer for countless investors. Join the community of successful investors making passive income through Stake. Ready to get the most out of your investment? Consider diversifying your portfolio across various properties. Also, keep an eye on the recommended holding period. Patience often pays off in real estate. With these tips, you're well on your way to making the most of your investment. So, are you ready to start your real estate investment journey? With just 150 Canadian dollars in Stake, you can step into Dubai's booming market. Sign up with Stake today and start building your real estate portfolio. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more investment tips and opportunities. Use the code in the description and you get AED 200 when you join and complete onboarding.